got something kind of fun planned for tonight. My apartment hosts little events for us, all of us residents each month. And tonight they're doing a little paint and sip. So I'm gonna do that. I'm a little bit nervous because I haven't met any of the other residents yet, like not formally. So kind of nervous, but we'll see. Maybe I'll make a new friend. So we're attempting to go to Pike Place Market, which on a Saturday is already a bad idea. But now apparently there's like some kind of parade going on, so all the streets are closed. So we have no idea how to get there. Like everything is barricaded. It's just chaos. So hopefully we can get there.
Às vezes é da dor que vem o amor. Eu que pensava que era engano. Olho seus olhos de luz e vejo anjo. Esqueci dos tropeços, esqueci das caídas. Em noites perdidas vou encontrar
Alright, today is the day. I haven't done a service like this since 2019, so I am pretty nervous, but I think it'll be alright. It's my first time working with the chef and all my co-workers, so I don't know, fingers crossed everything goes smoothly. Got off work on my way to go meet John for some dinner, and then we're finally watching Barbie. Got a prize. You can never open it. Good morning or good afternoon because it's almost 2 o'clock. We just made brunch. I had some leftover like corn succotash, so I made a frittata for the first time. So this is the final result. It looks so good. And then we also have some farmers market strawberries and blueberries, and of course my iced coffee because I'm from New York. So yeah, we're gonna eat. Bye. Just went on a snack run because we're having a fun little game night with this couple that we met during the apartment paint and sip. It's our first time ever hanging out with anyone from an apartment that we've ever lived in. So we're a little nervous, but mostly excited.
Music note. Oh. Ice cube. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, you're running in.
About to go get a haircut. Kind of nervous because I haven't gotten such like a big haircut in a really long time, and I'm so used to seeing myself just with my hair up now. I hope it's good. See you on the other side. Just finished getting my hair cut. I don't know how to feel about it. It's like a beautiful cut. She did a really nice job, I think. I just need to get used to it, especially because my part is different now. Anyway, time to get lunch. Going to trivia. It's for The Office, which is one of our favorite shows. We haven't watched it in a really long time, so we're not feeling confident. Also, Sam and Ashley are joining us. We didn't do that great. We got 4th place, which isn't terrible, but I kind of wanted to do better. It is what it is.
Next time.
It was fun though.
Next time we'll do better.
Yeah, next time.